Like a creamer, right, guys? But guys, we're still not done. We have one more.
It looks like a white Russian.
Yeah, it does. Believe me, this is a potent drink.
There's no mixer.
I got the ice, but I'm not gonna pour it first. This one's called Indiana Iced Coffee.
We need a smaller bottle of that.
Yeah. This. What the heck? Okay. Smirnoff. Okay, Kiss Caramel.
So good, I miss that.
Yeah, so this caramel flavored vodka, guys.
It's yummy.
How's that look?
Good. Boozy.
Nice and boozy. Now you come behind that with our boy right here, whipped cream vodka. If you don't have whipped cream vodka, use regular vodka, or you could just add some marshmallows to the put some whatever. Add some whipped cream to this, and just shake the two together and get yourself a little bit of whipped cream vodka. Look at that. Beautiful.
So much booze.
It's Indiana. That's all they're doing is there's drinking. Now we coming behind that with some coffee liqueur. Most popular one you all know is probably Kahlua. How's that?
You need room for ice though.
Yeah. Don't worry. Ice. I can leave space because I need to add my booze. Okay, so guys, that look like iced coffee, even though there's actually no coffee in this except the coffee liqueur. Now we follow that up with some Irish cream. What's wrong with this crossbar? Okay, there we go. Look at that going down. So it looked like a creamer, right, guys? But guys, we're still not done. We have one more.
It looks like a white Russian.
Yeah, it does. Believe me, this is a potent drink.
There's no mixer.
There's no mix in this. I don't know what the hell's going on in Indiana, Stacy. But you need to get out of there. Okay, next up, we got some rum chata. These my boys. So we can hit this with a little bit of la chata. Dude, she got everything in this drink.
Look at the swirls.
Now, Stacy, I know this is your drink, but this is my house. So guys, we can hit this with a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon or nutmeg. This wasn't in Stacy's recipe. She doesn't mind. Because after she didn't drink this, she don't even know what's going on right now. Okay? So we come behind with just a little bit of cinnamon dust on that bad.
Cinnamon bay.
Yeah. We could even do some stupid stuff, Stace.
Didn't work.
It did. There was a little bit of flames. And there you have it! Indiana iced coffee with no real coffee in it. Just
no
pure
mixer.
booze. Okay? I never been to Indiana, but after this, I ain't coming. All right? As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. And this drink was by Stacy Allen. Thanks, Stacy, for the recipe.